Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to copy the Yahoo Finance to the Excel. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the stocks of the companies on your home page. Now to copy the Yahoo Finance, simply tap onto one of the stocks that you are interested in. Now to copy it, simply tap onto the share button right here at the top. Then here you can find the option of copy. Now simply tap to copy. After copying it, you can simply go to the Excel app and you can simply paste it there. And that's it. This is how you can copy the Yahoo Finance to Excel. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.